Welcome to 3D Print Pulse, your essential weekly update from the cutting edge of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Every week, we bring you the most important news and developments. The episodes are crafted by All3DP's expert editors and voiced by text-to-speech so that we can go hunting for news again. Ready for the latest? Let's dive right in.
CNC machines are the big thing on Kickstarter right now. Desktop fabrication company Makera has achieved a major funding milestone for its new Z1 desktop CNC machine, surpassing $4 million in funding. It is designed to entice newcomers to CNC, promising pro-level power and precision at an accessible price point starting at $899. The Z1 follows Makera's well-regarded but more expensive Carvera series. The new machine's success is driven by an interesting spec sheet offered at its aggressive, early bird pledge price. Makera is promising a precision of 0.02 millimeters, supported by a linear rail motion system. The Z1 features a high-torque spindle with closed-loop speed control up to 13,000 RPM, allowing it to cut a wide range of materials, including aluminum, brass, wood, carbon fiber, acrylic, and PCB. User-friendly features like automatic tool probing, a quick tool changer, and a built-in aerodust collection system are also included. Furthermore, the Z1 is expandable, with accessories like a 4-axis module and a laser toolhead also highlighted in the campaign. Makera has a history of successful, multi-million-dollar crowdfunding for its Carvera line, lending credibility to its promise to begin shipping the Z1 in January 2026. A competing Kickstarter project for the Nestworks C500, a machine marketed as a next-gen smart CNC with industrial power, is also live. It is aimed squarely at the prosumer market. It boasts features like an 800-watt spindle, an automatic tool changer, 4-axis capability, and 3D probing. With more than 1,000 backers, the Nestworks C500 has reached more than $3.2 million of funding. A word of caution before you invest. Kickstarter is not a shop. Campaigns are under no legal obligation to deliver on crowdfunding promises, nor offer refunds on unfulfilled campaign rewards.
For more than a decade, the factory floor has been split between two rival camps: additive manufacturing and subtractive manufacturing. But that rivalry is fading fast, as hybrid manufacturing brings the best of both worlds together in a seamless process. According to 2025 market data, hybrid manufacturing is no longer a niche experiment. It's a fast-maturing industrial strategy expected to grow a staggering 23.5% over the next decade, with the global market projected to hit $16 to $23 billion by 2033. A new case study highlights this dramatic potential of hybrid manufacturing, where a UK-based medical device manufacturer cut its production lead time for a critical test jig from 10 weeks to just 72 hours. The complex jig, used for testing a new surgical device, was previously outsourced entirely to a traditional CNC machine shop. Due to its intricate geometry, the part required multiple machine setups, resulting in a high cost of over $5,500 and a 10-week lead time. To solve this, the company adopted a hybrid manufacturing strategy, partnering with Craftcloud. Full disclosure, Craftcloud is an All3DP company. Instead of forcing the entire part into one process, they split the design. The complex, non-critical main body of the jig was 3D printed in PA12 nylon using SLS. Meanwhile, the high-tolerance components, the pins and inserts, were simultaneously CNC machined from 316L stainless steel for precision. The result was a functional, assembled part delivered in 72 hours for a total cost of just over $1,300. This case study is a powerful example of an evolving design philosophy, not forcing a part into a single manufacturing silo, but selecting the optimal, most cost-effective process for each specific feature. We have more insights into the use case. Just follow the link in the show notes.
With Formnext approaching, companies are starting to launch their new machines and services. One that stood out came from the Israel-based company XJet, which uses nanoparticle jetting technology. Their new system, the Carmel Pro, claims to remove the most significant barrier to adopting advanced metal and ceramic 3D printing. The barrier is post-processing. Traditionally, Parts printed with metal or ceramic ink require a complex, delicate, and manual process to remove their support structures. This bottleneck demands skilled labor and carries a high risk of damaging intricate, high-value components. The new Carmel Pro uses a new SMART technology, which stands for Support Material Automatic Removal Technology. This is an automated, non-contact system that manages the entire post-processing workflow. According to the company, it safely dissolves the support material, effectively removing manual labor, risk, and specialized skills from the equation. The Carmel Pro will be shown at Formnext 2025 and is available in the second quarter of 2026. And now, a word from our sponsor.
Are you an engineer or designer looking for high-precision CNC parts? Tired of waiting for manual quotes? Stop waiting. Craftcloud is your solution for instant on-demand CNC machining. Upload your CAD file, select from a wide range of materials, and instantly compare real-time quotes worldwide. Get the best price on precision parts, from rapid prototypes to mass production. We offer 3-axis and 5-axis milling, turning, and more. No minimum orders, just transparent pricing, fast delivery, and expert service. Craftcloud. We turn your CNC ideas into reality.
Let's round off this week's podcast with news bulletins. Stratsys has launched Now Printing Again, an official certified pre-owned program for its industrial 3D printers. The initiative sells refurbished FDM and PolyJet systems, serviced and certified by its own technicians. This is a significant move to lower the high entry costs for industrial AM, creating an accessible pathway for smaller businesses and startups to acquire high-performance hardware. Evergreen Additive has transitioned its large-format 3D printing from world record to combat ready. The company has delivered its first 3D printed vessel, a 26-foot carbon fiber reinforced boat, to a US-Marine Corp unit. For those exploring high-strength applications, All3DP has updated its 2025 guide to carbon fiber 3D printing. The article details the critical differences between common chopped fiber filaments and industrial continuous carbon fiber technology. It serves as a comprehensive resource that explains the unique benefits of stiffness and low weight in producing functional end-use parts. You find the link in the show notes. We have just launched an All3DP merchandise shop at shop.all3dp.com. You can buy All3DP and Craftcloud themed merchandise at reasonable prices. If you want to start your 3D printing day with a nice cup of coffee or tea and are in dire need of a lovely mug, or want to buy t-shirts, hoodies, or other products, please visit shop.all3dp.com.
That's it from the weekly roundup from the world of 3D printing. As usual, you can find all the links in the show notes. Thank you to our sponsor Craftcloud, and remember, you can always find more in-depth articles, reviews and guides at all3dp.com. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a rating or review. It really helps us to bring these updates to even more 3D printing enthusiasts like you. Join us next week for another rapid-fire update. Until then, happy printing.